Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one has me very excited because you do not have to have any experience whatsoever. The job description actually says that. It says they will fully train you, and this is in the healthcare field. So if you are looking to get into the work from home healthcare field, I've always said now is the best time ever. And this position can help you do that. You'll get in as a clerical support helping the patient billing and claims department. They'll train you. You can learn different things about the healthcare industry, different terminology, different things about claims, and then you can take that experience and knowledge once you get it and go over to other jobs that then require the experience. So if you're looking to get that experience, this is for you. We will not waste any time. The company Sarnova is hiring someone to work remote from home in the United States doing clerical support. Now, it does say the clerical representative is responsible for supporting the patient billing department in any and all areas related to their clients' private pay patients. So you'll report to the manager of the patient billing department. This is a full-time remote work from home position. And right here it says no experience required. We will train. They're looking for someone to work internally by gaining an understanding of all the departments and how they work together towards payment of all EMS claims. You'll work with external parties, including but not limited to hospitals, insurance providers, attorneys, and the patients. You'll handle correspondence via mail, email, and telephone, and you'll perform any other duties assigned by management. They are looking for someone who has the ability to be a multitasker and a team player, someone who can be pleasant and professional on the phone, someone who can handle pressure and maintain composure, someone who can be punctual and dependable. And that is it. No medical or work experience required. They will train. Now, unfortunately, pay is always dependent on location and experience. This position did not list the pay. It does say they have a competitive salary, but they didn't say what that is. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but it says they do provide a standard benefit package, including a 401k. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.